วัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. I want to talk about the exercise for lowering your spine helpful for someone quite stiffness, tightness, and make more flexible between your spine joints and also help for release tightness along to your hip as well. This exercise small movement but can easy for movement and more flexible whole back. So but have to be careful or avoid with someone who had arthritis at your spine too long and bone gets spurred and fused together, like bone stuck together, not have much limit movement. That have to be careful about that. Also someone have like osteoporosis, that is bone not really strong and easy for damage or get fracture, that have to avoid. For someone who had like just stiffness, if you have scoliosis, kyphosis, hyperlordosis, you still can do if you don't have injury between your spine, and that's quite painful that area, and yeah, you can do normal. Okay, we start by standing position, and your leg and your shoulder should stand same alignment. Whole back, spine, neck, strength, and thinking up to your spine at the middle top of your head, and then you keep rolling chin in, keep rolling from cervical 1 or C1, C spine, step by step, C1 to C2, C3. Yeah, you're thinking until you see 8, and then T1 thoracic, down, let your hand just drop and relax your shoulder, not feel tension anything. Drop to thoracic. If you feel halfway at thoracic movement and you feel very tight and feel comfortable or very tight at back leg, you can bend a bit at your knee. If who doesn't feel tight as much, keep rolling, continue until you feel very tight. You can bend a bit your knee until your hand drop to the ground. You rolling from thoracic to lumbar. You feel stretching at your lumbar to your circum along your spine, both sides, circum to coccyx. If you want to feel stretching at your posterior of your hip more, a bit bend your knee more and your head a bit move toward to your knee. Keep whole feeling like that and breathe in for 10 seconds. Yeah, and then breathe out. Move your knee back straight and keep rolling from coccyx to circum. Relax, circum to lumbar. Your arm still relax, shoulder relax, lumbar to thoracic. Yeah, up thoracic to cervical. Until you stand normal. Back again. We repeat for 2 more times. Chin in, start rolling. Don't forget, if you feel tight and very stiffness at your posterior, your hip or lower back, you just bit bend your knee, aim forward, and then until your hand drop to the ground. Keep feeling stretching at your posterior hip for 10 seconds. Breathe in, hold breathe in, breathe out, straighten your knee back, move your rolling back from coccyx to sacrum, to lumbar, to thoracic, and back to cervical and head, neck strength, back strength. Last time, chin in, breathe in, hold for 10 seconds, when the end. When you do many times, you will feel your hip, lower back feel looser. Then first time you roll your back. Breathe out, straighten your knee back. Roll from coccyx to sacrum to lumbar, to thoracic, and thoracic to cervical and head, neck strength, back strength. Okay, you can do about 3 to 5 times. Can do in the morning after you wake up, or in the evening after you back from work. Yeah, just small movement but quite good whole back. Yeah, I hope this exercise useful for you, and if you click like, click link and click comment for me. I will do the video that help you for stretching and healthy life. Okay, thank you so much. Don't forget for click subscribe for me. สวัสดีค่ะ